So, welcome to your first advanced scripting tutorial. Or, not first, my bad. Third advanced scripting tutorial. We are going to learn about hook functions and how to use them to hook functions, basically, in the name, hook function. Alright, so we view this module. I already have it open. But we view this module, we go through it. We're trying to find a function, right? Because we're trying to hook function. We see all this, we can use we see UA equals function get stem. So this doesn't have a name. It's just a variable. This means the decompiler couldn't decompile the variable and they just named it something. Can't like refer to this. Let's see if it's defined in a variable. Yep, right here. So this get stem variable wasn't defined in anything, but now it's a function. So let's see. Let's do local mod, stand short for module. To actually access something in a module, you have to do require and then the path to the module. Game.replicated storage dot modules dot setting. I think what is it called? Settings or yeah. Alright. Local stem func. And we could see in the function, right? You gotta look for a function. See, it definitely returns a number, so we can hook this so it returns something infinite. Equals mod dot get stem, right? And now we're gonna do local old equals hook function. We're gonna put the first parameter is the actual function we want to hook, and then we're gonna replace it with our own function. Return 99. Turn. I don't think this is gonna work because it might work. Yeah, okay, I think it worked because our stamina bar is like down now, I think. Yeah, so, yeah, so that's hook function. You don't have to put old, I just put that, but you can just do this simply hook function stem func return 99. But if you do put this, you have to put a dot 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 here. And what I did with this was just like it doesn't, what it does, it just puts as a placeholder, but then I actually define it in old equals. But if you put a variable, you have to put a dot dot dot, but if you don't really have to. I mean, if you're doing like an arguments check in a function and you don't have a variable, then you have to put this dot dot dot, but you don't have to if you just want to return this number. Pretty simple. Print. See what it returns now. It returned infinite, right? Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. But yeah, that is hook function. Let me give another example. How long is this video at so far? 3 minutes. Okay. I'm gonna give another example. Okay. We're gonna create our own function called. We're gonna create our own first function called. Function calculate ammo. This would be like in a game if they have one that's calculating the ammo and you want to make it so it messes it up. Local ammo equals 100. If starting ammo is greater than or equal to 100, then then equals 100. Return starting ammo. Now, print I know this probably didn't really do anything, that function. Hold on. 100. Okay, so what that did was it prints out, it returned whatever, a function returns whatever's, if it says return a variable, it will return whatever is in the variable, so it returns 100, right? Calculate ammo, we don't have to put that. Return 500. Let's just say, now, if we print it, maybe I didn't, hold on, I'm trying to look if I spelled it right. Hook function. I think 100 plus 1,000 plus 100. Oh, whoopsies. I need to do it after the hook function. Because if you're doing it before it, it thinks that. Yeah, whoopsies. Hold on. After the function's already been hooked. Now, see, yep, 500. We made it so it returned 500. Now it's 500. Set. So now, if this was like ammo in a game, you would have start 500 ammo now. But yeah, that's hook meta method, hook function. I will be dropping another video on meta tables, get raw meta tables, and that's basically like a simpler way of hook meta method. But yeah, see you guys.